Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fallon again, and today I'll be doing the Jamaican escovitch sauce for you. Hey, isn't that beautiful? And it tastes delicious too. Anyways, let's get to it. So I did some julienne carrots. What I did was half of a medium carrot. I can't julienne very well, so obviously, it's very obvious. So I didn't want it too much carrot, so I did half. Then I did some bell peppers. I did different colors. If I had red, not red, but green, I would have. Then I added 1.5 pepper. I did habanero. I didn't have scotch bonnet, but use whatever you have. Spicy, the better. I did a whole onion. I thought I would have needed that half a onion, but I didn't. So I just did one medium-sized onion. You can cut it up however you like, just like that. And then I added 1 cup of vinegar to a hot pot and 1 cup of water. So, equal parts. So after the water boils up, then I turn the stove off. And after that, I start to add all my ingredients inside of the pot. I did not want to add the ingredients when the pot was boiling because I don't want my onions and carrots and peppers to be soggy. I want it to be crunchy. So I don't overboil it. I allow that warm water to just soak everything in. And of course, by marinating it already for over 24 hours, the longer you have it, the better it becomes pickled and, with more flavor. I did like half a handful of pimento. Nothing too much. Pimento is already flavorful, so you should be good on that end. I did salt. I didn't do any sugar. Some people like to add sugar. I just did a bit of salt. I would say like 1.5 teaspoons of salt to that. And just mix everything in and just let that sit until you're ready to transfer it to your container. Make sure to transfer it to your container when it is warm. So please don't transfer this when it's hot, especially in a glass container. Well, that's the only thing you should store it in. Glass containers, please, nothing else. You want your veggies to be fresh and last longer and be pickled. That's the perfect container for it. All right. So I enjoy this sauce with my fish, festival, and bami. You can have it with whatever you like. Thank you guys for watching again. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Thank you.